so there's no difference.
Whoa! Alright. How did we get all of these recordings?
Sorry guys, some of it was corrupted. We had a bunch corrupted.
You know,
I lost
maybe if we get over 100 likes on this video, we'll go back and play the other ones.
You know what I'm saying?
We'll go back and play the other ones. We'll go back and play all the other worlds again if we get 100 likes. Let's go. Hold on, let me focus.
No, Colin,
first.
why?
I'm sorry.
Why am I the only one who's been griefed this whole time?
What are you talking about? Grogus gets griefed every day.
No, Joey just
Oh
can't
my
play the
God,
game.
Grogus just griefed.
Joey doesn't get griefed, he just doesn't play.
Yeah.
No! I'm getting griefed by Grogus.
No!
Grogus is griefing me.
Are you kidding me? Dude, I may not have 2 lives. I might just stay bubbled. No!
Oh, come on, dude. Alright. Did we ever even say where we are? I think we
No, are
did.
you kidding me?
No, it shows.
It did it? Did it show? Oh my god, I'm so stupid. This was too big of a difficulty.
I just hate
Are you kidding me? I
just
have to
hate
continue.
Wait, hold on. I don't write until the end of the level.
Alright.
No, don't, because we might get a.
wait,
we
no,
might
no,
get a
how
one
about
up.
like, okay. I'm sorry. That's
What
okay.
did you say to me, Ian?
I said we might get a 1-up. So
We don't have to say to that?
what?
Thank you.
I
Yeah,
got
yeah.
the Bitcoin.
I'm not gonna
Guys,
destroy
I got the
you.
Bitcoin.
I'll let you rub my nipples
Hold
now.
on.
Joey just drowned.
Joey,
Joey doesn't know how to swim.
you mashed the 2 button. Wait, I'm gonna get left behind.
No!
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 We just failed.
Who's Luigi?
No,
Roguish. No, Olimar! Are
No,
you
Joey,
kidding me?
stop. Joey. I
Joey,
just called you
you're
my
in the
sister.
game.
Oh, wait.
What?
Are you kidding me? Joey,
brought me
if
back
you were
into the
playing,
game.
if you were playing,
brought me back
oh
into the
my
And he made
god.
me die too.
Guys, frick this game. It's actually bad anyway.
No, it's
What are you
not.
talking
It's a
about,
good
bro? This is
game.
the best game I've ever played.
Frick this Vine compilate.
Alright, Colin, just carry us through.
No!
No!
He landed on the thing.
Grogish.
I couldn't help
Grogish
it.
is
He landed on
griefing
the
so hard.
thing.
Yes, no.
No!
I hate
Sorry,
you.
bro.
I hate you.
Sorry, bro, but I had
This game
to.
is poop. I hate it.
Of course you say that.
I just want to stay
Pop him,
bubble.
pop him. Alright,
Wait,
Colin, you
I like how
gotta...
like just.
No!
Oh, I hate this one.
No! No! No!
Alright, we gotta work together for one. Kimihito, I lost my power up.
No, wait.
No, guys, wait.
You just killed me.
No, wait.
You guys just killed me.
There's just no way for me to do it. I don't want to do it if I can survive.
Guys.
Alright, I did it!
Oh, thanks, Colin. Oh, you threw me at the bottom.
Right.
You frickin'.
Joey's getting assaulted right now, and Joey
So
also
good.
doesn't have his wife.
I lost my life.
She ran away.
She doesn't like you
Oh
anymore.
no.
You abused her too much.
No, I didn't. I didn't even do
I peed on her.
Me too.
Oh.
It's like
Who?
Sonic the Hedgehog
Why would you
pissed
abuse
on my wife.
Alright, now I think it's definitely time to play the item.
Playing cat.
Now it's definitely time for Sonic the
Tell me when
Hedgehog
it
to piss on
starts
my
like-
wife.
I didn't want it. You saw me press down, bro.
You saw Sonic the Hedgehog piss on my wife.
I don't know how that worked, but Colin clearly did not ground pound, but
I did. I ground pounded.
oh my god.
I want one of
This
those.
is the worst game.
Actually, I
ever.
need one of those.
Well, we'll use it in a second.
Yikes, buddy.
No,
Someone
we
just
can't
got
play
a
level
Discord
2.
notification.
I think.
I think that was the character getting killed.
Huh?
I like how this is. It's just a huge spike.
I like how I have-
Yeah, I did. Yeah, because our video got corrupted.
Yeah, there's a gradual increase.
Not going bad.
So fast.
Alright. 2 matches. Oh!
Was that Joey? It was.
was
Joey got
Joey.
both of
They
them.
were both just Joey.
Jokish.
How was
Jokish!
that supposed to be?
Jokish!
It's not my
We could've
fault.
won.
Didn't know.
Yeah, we could have. Alright.
Oh, please, no. Ah!
My bad. I'm sorry, Colin, I slipped.
Oh, please, no.
Why'd you pet him?
Oh no!
Oh no,
This
I
level's
know.
so good.
Me and my neighbor Coleman could never pass this
Oh, I'm
level.
gonna
Well, because
die.
you're bad.
Yeah, we were. We were like
I'm
That
gonna
was
six.
die.
actually like really cool. I hate it. No!
Uh-oh.
Why do you think it's so
See, but now I
good?
have iframes.
How do we get past this dude?
I don't even know if I don't think flame works on him anyways.
No, Joey.
It doesn't.
How? Oh, wait, what?
I invincible.
It doesn't.
Joey, seriously, you just pushed me into her.
Oh my God.
Joey's the worst character in this
How
game.
do I?
I like how the
get
game
past
just kind of like
him?
stops when it.
I know. I love the
hit.
freeze.
Oh,
my God,
shoot.
what? Whoa!
Oh,
Yay.
Okay.
Yay. Oh, shoot.
Hey, bro.
hey, bro.
Hey, bro. Get the. Wait till everybody. Oh.
No, don't touch me. I need to keep my virginity.
Whoa.
Oh, wait. I.
No.
Wait, we're good.
I'll never lose my virginity because I never lose.
Sorry, I just had.
It's okay. It's okay.
Like, there's no good time for you guys to pop me right now.
Yeah, because everything's
right there,
dead.
right there.
Wait. Ah, okay.
I'm just going under.
No!
Wait.
Are you kidding
I'm
me?
bubbling.
I tried to bubble.
Wait. Just get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Alright, I'm boots on the ground. Call of Duty game.
Okay.
Oh frick! I'm sorry.
Well, there's one.
I kinda
There's one in
needed
that
it,
top one.
Wait.
Oh.
You can have that fire. Yeah.
Did you guys see that mushroom go straight into the
Yeah.
purple
Alright, go,
people
let's go
eater?
down there. Okay, I guess you just got slammed in there.
Shoot.
Oh, that's all that does is bring me up here. That's stupid and goofy. Wait, why'd you go so much farther than everyone else?
It's called
suck.
griefing.
Oh wait.
Face, baby.
But I was
that's
gonna
crazy.
help you.
It's called griefing, buddy.
No,
Help me
Don't help me.
again.
Don't help me.
I'm getting actively griefed by
help me.
Mario.
No!
Will you help me? No!
Listen, dude, I sound like.
Wait, what do I
sound-
do?
I
Oh,
sound
I
like
grab
I sound like
that. Or not
the
grab
Supreme Kai. No!
You do not sound like Supreme.
That's how he
Kai.
sounds. He goes, no!
Don't help me, please.
Oh shoot, I got helped. What? Okay, all of a sudden it decided to do damage.
Hey.
Oh my god, I am so
Hey,
stupid.
bro.
How
Hey,
did
I
I
bro.
don't want to play this level, okay?
We do.
Hey, bro.
We do want to play.
Hey, bro.
We do want to play this level.
Hey, bro.
No,
Hey,
no,
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 bro.